Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can draw the Fibonacci retracements and the Fibonacci projection using the tools on this charting software. I am using the investing.com website. You can access it for free. All this is a pretty decent charting platform actually, and you will find that most charting platforms have a similar interface, so you'll get a good sense of how to draw Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci projections. Let me start by showing you how to draw Fibonacci retracements. So you can go to the tool here and you can choose Fibonacci retracement. Now let's say this entire move is a trend and you want to draw a Fibonacci retracement. So you can place your cursor horizontally along the low here. Let's say it's around 2240, and then you can extend this to the high of the trend. So you have the high of the trend at 1.2476 and the low is at 2240, and all these levels are the Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, so here let's check the high. The high was 2477, so there is slight difference. The high here is 2476, but in this case the high is 2477 and the low here is around 2240. So the low is correct. However, there is a 1 pip difference in the high. You can correct this by going to this dashboard here and clicking on settings. Once you click settings, you can go to coordinates, and here you can modify the price points you selected as extremes for drawing the retracements. So you can select here 1.2477, and now you would have accurate Fibonacci levels, the retracement levels. So this is how you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. There are other features, other settings that you can modify. Let's look at them. So for example, if you click on style, you can choose which Fibonacci retracement levels you want to see. So for example, you can choose the 3.618 by clicking on the checkbox here. You can also have the 4.236 retracement level. If you want, you can remove any retracement level that you might think won't be of much use to you. So for example, you can remove 1.272, and once you click OK, then all these modifications will be made. So you see that 1.272 retracement level was removed, and you have your 2.618, the 3.618 and 4.236 retracement levels available for you. So this is how you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now let's look at how you can draw projections. So again, you'll click here, and in case of investing.com, you have the trend based Fibonacci extension tool. You have to select this for drawing various projections. So projections you need 3 points. So for example, you may say that this is the first leg of your rally, this is the second leg where you have some correction, and then this is the third leg. And so for example, if you want to project the extent of move as part of this leg using the Fibonacci extension tool, then what you can do is you can first measure the movement in this first leg. So this is the movement of the first leg. Now you can then place the cursor here on the low here, and you will have your projections based on your extension tool. So for example, in this case, you will see that this leg here achieves equality around 2434. The 1.272 extension is around 1.2474, and I think the high is pretty close to this level. Let's see. Yeah, the high is around 2477, so that's pretty close to this 2474 level, and we saw that the price actually reversed from this level. So this is how you can use projections. So in case of Fibonacci projections, you need 3 points. In case of Fibonacci retracements, you need 2 points. Retracements are used to measure the extent of correction, while projections are used to basically measure the extent of movement in the next leg. Okay, so that is the idea behind retracements and projection, and this is how you can use the tools here. So that's it in this video on this topic on how you can draw Fibonacci retracements and Fibonacci projections. I hope you found it useful, and so see you in the next lecture.